Xiaomi V156 Max drone, 8K dual camera, brushless, GPS, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, screen remote, obstacle avoidance. Introducing the V156 Max, a high-performance quadcopter engineered for immersive aerial photography, smooth flight control, and intelligent navigation features. With its dual 8K HD camera system, brushless motor power, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and large screen remote, this drone bridges the gap between professional imaging and user-friendly operation. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes, action shots, or cinematic B-roll, the V156 Max delivers stunning visual quality and smart flight capabilities, all in a compact foldable form. Key specifications, feature details. Model V156 Max. Drone battery 3.7 volts, 1800 mAh Li-ion. Remote control USB rechargeable, built-in, flight time approximately equals 15 minutes. Charging time approximately 60 minutes. Remote range up to 200 meters. FPV image transmission up to 30 meters. Dimensions 26 x 23.5 x 5.5 centimeters, expanded, 12 x 8 x 5.5 centimeters, folded, takeoff weight 148 grams. Drone weight 119 grams, battery 29 grams, screen remote size 5.6-inch display. Packaging cloth bag plus color box 25.5 x 8.4 x 19.5 centimeters. Color options black, gray. Camera and imaging features. Front wide-angle 8K HD camera captures ultra-detailed aerial footage. Bottom sensor camera for optical flow hover stabilization. 180 degrees electric tilt adjustment for flexible shooting angles. Supports gesture photo and video, 50 times digital zoom, and automatic photo capture. Electronic image stabilization, ISE, ensures smoother video even in moderate wind. Obstacle avoidance and flight stability. Intelligent 4-direction obstacle sensing prevents collisions. GPS plus optical flow positioning for stable flight and hover mid-air. Altitude hold, fixed point hover, and 6-axis gyroscope for steady control. 1 key features: takeoff, landing, calibration, return home. Headless mode, gravity sensor mode, trajectory flight, and more. Motor and performance. Brushless motor system for increased efficiency, power, and longevity. Foldable arms make this drone travel-friendly, ideal for outdoor shoots. Bright body LED lights enhance visibility and aesthetic appeal during dusk or low-light flights. What's in the box? 1V 156 Max quadcopter. 1 large screen remote controller, 5.6. 1 times drone battery, 1800 mAh. 4 spare propeller blades. 1 USB charging cable. 1 memory card. 1 card reader. 1 screwdriver. 1 user manual. Why the V156 Max is a strong choice. Combines professional imaging, 8K, with easy control. Smart obstacle avoidance adds safety in urban or crowded environments. Compact, foldable, and lightweight, ideal for travel. Full set of drone features for novices and intermediate users. Screen remote means no need for a phone. Balanced power, camera, and autonomy make it versatile for many use cases.